Today I'm going to teach you how to find and add a friend on Strava. Let's jump right into it. First, open the Strava application on your device. Once it loads up, you'll land on your main feed where you can see activity from people you're already following. This is your starting point for navigating through the app and finding new connections. Now, look at the top of your screen and you'll notice a search icon. It's usually represented by a magnifying glass symbol, which is a standard search indicator in most apps. Go ahead and click on that search icon. This is how you'll access Strava's search functionality, which lets you look up athletes, clubs, routes, and more. Once you click the search icon, you'll see a search bar appear on your screen. This is where you'll enter the information you're looking for. Click on the search bar to activate it and then type in the name of your friend. As you type, Strava will start processing your query and preparing to show you relevant matches from its database of users. After you've entered your friend's name, Strava will display a list of results below the search bar. These results include profiles that match or closely match the name you typed. Take a moment to look through the results carefully since there might be multiple users with similar names. Once you spot your friend in the list, click on their profile to open it. This takes you to their full profile page where you can see their activity history, stats, and other information they've chosen to share. Now that you're on your friend's profile page, you'll see a button labeled Follow. This button is what connects you to their account and allows you to see their activities in your feed. Click on Follow to send a connection request. Strava will process this immediately, and you'll now be following your friend. This means their workouts, runs, rides, and other activities will start appearing in your main feed whenever they post something new. And that's it. You've successfully found and added your friend on Strava, and now you can stay connected with their fitness journey and cheer them on through their activities. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.